Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now we are going to see about how to send email through Gmail itself using SMTP Gmail. First, you need a Google account. We need to enable two-step verification. Two-step already I have enabled two-step verification. Now we need an app. We have created an app. If you don't want to say this password is very important. Once it will shown only one time only. So don't forget to say the password. Now see how to configure SMTP mail in Wordpress. First we need plugin for that. In dashboard you click on add new plugin and then search SMTP mailer and install this plugin SMTP. I already installed it, activated it, and so it's not showing that. Now click on install the plugin. It's our activated and click on settings. Provide SMTP host smtp@gmail.com and SMTP authorization is true and set username and enter the password given in the get in the app password from Gmail and the app password will be provided here and TLS port number 8587 and send an email first name from name. Next we got to test the mail is working or not. So, click the mail subject test send the mail. Mail is received. Here it is the mail. That's it. It's working now. Now, if you want to see this kind of this kind of code, or please subscribe to the channel for more and click on bell icon to watch more about this immediately. Okay, thank you.